AJ, why do you have a hammer?
A mission.
A mission?
Yeah.
For what?
I'm going searching for some stuff, you know.
You gonna smash it?
Whoa! Holy shit, motherfucker!
You ready? Baseballer! We're walking.
Where are you going, Carly?
I'm on a mission.
A mission for what?
Holy fuck! I found my mission!
What's your mission?
I'm gonna kill that horse.
Dude, I think that's a pretty small horse. I don't think you should touch it. Okay.
Trophies! Baseball. Shit. Go! Fuck digger! Okay, ready? Oh my god, a trophy! This is a boob. This is our implant. Okay, we're gonna play baseball.
Am I actually gonna...
Go, AJ!
No, because it's gonna come back at me.
Yeah, go. Oh my god! Great! What the hell? You said it would work. Shit.
Hey, I heard this story about like polar bears dying in the Arctic, and yeah. So, oh really? Would you care if I did this?
No animals were harmed in the making of this movie.